In this video, I show you how to delete your Instagram account permanently. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing to the channel, and once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like as well. Please do watch this video right until the end for the full steps, and without any further ado, let's go and get into this. Here we are on Instagram, and just a quick note as well, this guide is going to work on all types of devices including desktop as well, and all types of phones and tablets. And just consider when you go and delete your account, you're going to lose all of your photos, all of your messages, all of your videos, so do make sure you backed anything up that you might want in the future. So if you go to the top right and click on the three bars and go and click on settings, you'll find there isn't actually a way to go and delete your account in here. So what you need to do is actually come off of Instagram just like so, and you need to go and open up a web browser. So you can do this in any browser. I'm just using Safari as that is the default browser on my phone. So come into a search, and all you want to do is go and click on delete Instagram account, and do keep watching, I'm showing you exactly what to click. Then wait a minute to load, and all you want to do is click on this help.instagram.com, and it's going to take a moment to load. Then all you want to do is scroll down to where it says to request a permanent deletion of your account, and all you want to do is go and click on delete your account, so click here. And it's going to go and open up Instagram, and it's going to go and take you to a brand new tab. So here we are. As you can see, I now need to go and sign in. So I'm going to go and click here, and I'm going to go and sign in with my information, just like so, and then go and click login, and it's taking a moment to load. Here we are in the right place. As you can see, it says delete your account, and it also does provide an alternative as well for going and temporarily disabling your account. But all you need to do is go and give a reason why you want to delete your account. So I could go and click too busy. All you need to do is go and re-enter your password at the bottom, and it actually says at the bottom as well that it's going to be deleted on the March 27th, which is around a month from now. So you've got until that date to go and change your mind if you're going to, and that means you can keep your whole account and all of your posts and everything. But as soon as it goes past that date, then your account is going to be permanently deleted, and there is no way of getting anything back. As I said earlier, it's definitely worth going and saving any messages or images you sent on Instagram as well, simply because you may suddenly remember that you want them in the future, so it's definitely worth going and saving them right now as you've got the opportunity. If you found this video useful, please go down below and consider subscribing to the channel. Leave a like for more. Peace.